What exactly is Dandelion++? Usually, when you send a blockchain transaction, it gets picked up by a node and included in a block. The node that produces the block then propagates it across the network. Simple, right? But not quite. The node that first broadcasts a transaction can be observed using the public address, IP address. And in a public peer-to-peer network, observers, including malicious actors, can monitor how transactions spread. By tracking propagation patterns, attackers can attempt to trace the origin of a transaction and potentially link it back to an IP address. That's where Dandelion++ steps in. Instead of broadcasting a transaction to the entire network immediately, Dandelion++ changes how transactions travel. It introduces two phases, stem and fluff. The stem phase. Your transaction quietly hops from one node to another along a random path, like a relay. Each node randomly decides whether to pass it on or initiate the fluff phase. The fluff phase. At a random point, the transaction is broadcast widely to the network, just like a normal transaction. But by this time, the origin and IP address are obscured. The network sees the transaction, even the malicious nodes, but they can't easily trace where the transaction truly began. For Beldex, integrating Dandelion++ strengthens network layer privacy. It reduces the risk of transaction source tracing. It protects users at the communication or network layer. Because privacy isn't just about hiding balances. It's also about protecting how your data moves. With Dandelion++, Beldex adds another shield, ensuring that when you transact, you don't leave a visible trail behind. Smarter propagation, stronger privacy.